I agree that you don't want to use too much of the wrist, but you do want to use a little bit because you need to create the ankle, and that's what we're going to talk about. When we talk about doing the cross coordinate, doing this with the racket facing this way, this is not good because the racket or the shuttle will not go over the net. The hand is around the shoulder and elbow come down a bit with the racket head being in the same position, and we want to create this angle. To have a magnet towards my hip with the elbow, drag the elbow down, and angle with the wrist. This is in the backhand, so it will look like this. If it's in the forehand, I do it with the forearm instead.